If you just look around your room, look around where you live, almost every product that you can see around you, other than maybe glass and steel, can be made using industrial hemp. And that is an amazing fact.
The current U.S. market for hemp products as of 2016 was about $687 million. Yeah, and it's a wide variety of products, everything from auto parts, home building materials, foods, body care products, therapeutic products like CBD.
It's illegal still today in the United States of America. It's a Schedule I drug, even though it has no mind-altering propensities or whatsoever. Why is it thriving? And the answer to that is really straightforward. Because it's a viable crop. Because there are many, many usages of hemp.
The right word is hemp, and the scientific word is cannabis. These are the right words, not narcotics and psychotropics. These are all words to give stigma to cannabis plant.
So right now, industrial hemp is on Schedule I. It's there with marijuana, it's there with other opiates.
A Schedule I substance qualifies as not having any medical benefit and having a high potential for abuse. Hemp does not meet either one of those standards, and therefore it should not be on the list.
And unfortunately, it is the old guard in several of these federal agencies that don't know the difference, don't treat hemp and marijuana any different. And there's certainly genetic differences, but the legal difference is quite simple. It's the THC level, the psychoactive substance, 0.3%.
Anything over 0.3% THC is classified federally as marijuana. Anything below that is industrial hemp.
It's so very important for us to talk about the industrial components, talk about this as a commodity, and work together to get this off Schedule I, because it'll open up really the economy for the United States.
If I build a house that's made with hempcrete, I'm going to have a negative carbon footprint. They need to just have it put in front of them, let them see it, let them touch it, show them all the products you can make with it, get them to see how valuable this plant is.
From the moment that we walk into the spa, to what we sit on, to what we put on our face, to what we wash our hands with, to what we check out on, to what we write on, it's all hemp-based. I mean, we even have hemp-based 3D printed cups over here, which are absolutely amazing.
Hemp is one of the most nutritious seeds in the world, rich in omega-3, protein, and important minerals such as magnesium, zinc, and iron.
Hemp is an extraordinary bioremediator. It pulls toxins from the soil the same way a sponge would. It can clean up soils from pesticides, fungicides, herbicides, or heavy metals, even radiation.
And there's this great substance called graphene that's a supercapacitor. It's incredibly expensive to make, but hemp can make a graphene-like substance at a fraction of the cost, and it grows from the ground. You know, that's going to change the planet, just that alone.
That's how you change people's minds. Because when they can say, I can take the hemp plant and I can derive it into its chemical components, and I can sell those chemical components to existing lines of industrial products. At that point, it becomes secondary that this stuff came from hemp.
We should not limit ourselves from thinking about how this plant is going to impact the economy. We knew it was going to be huge back in the 30s. What is $1 billion then, perhaps $1 trillion today?
And the United States is the largest market for hemp products in the world. So there's a real opportunity here. Instead of importing these products from overseas, we should be allowing American farmers to grow it, American manufacturers to make it right here. And that's one of the big things that we're really pushing for in Congress.
When you take the industrial uses of hemp and realize that it cannot get anyone high, why would you outlaw the plant? And that's the question we ask every single day.